Hello, John. Welcome back. And this today we are going to be speaking about the definition tag, which is one of the, let me say, uncommon one among them. But in this video, you are going to be learning about it and how you can be using it in your next project. So the first thing to do is to open a tag which you are going to be naming the definition list. You see now we have UL, which is another list, OL, other list, and then DL, which is definition list. So now inside here is have definition term. This is the first tag here. What's the term? Let's say now I said prince, which is going to be my definition term, and then I can just have definition data, then which is going to be my what does this prince means? What does this term mean? It's going to be like a brief explanation of the term. So what's the brief explanation? This is my name. I can just say it is my name, and then I can just add another D C definition term. I can just type in 27 or so, and then I can just see under it I said DD, and then I said my age. So now you see now I first define a term, not this, not this. I want to change the M here to capital letter. So the first thing I do here is to define the term, and then in the DD, which is like a definition explanation. So I'm going to briefly explain what does the previous term that I wrote means. So now let's see what happened inside the browser, and then I can just copy part here, copy part, and I go to my browser and paste it and hit on enter, and you can see now we have on other list with bullet point, our other list with 1, 2, 3, and then the definition list with contain my name, and then it's briefly explaining that this is my name, it contain my age, and it's briefly explaining that this is my age. So you definitely won't be using this much. I won't lie to you because actually I've forgotten the last time I used it. So most of the times, what we do is if you are teaching, you need to tell someone that it's that's let's say this exists, but there are some things that maybe if you see them, you are not going to be using them. Just trust me on this. Or if you are going to be using them, it's going to be rare cases. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and see you in the next one.